20 amp breaker. I'm gonna hook it up to the service pole. So I'm gonna have a 12 gauge wire. So I got 3 wire right here, the ground and the white for neutral and the black for hot wire. So I put the hot wire, the black wire here on the 20 amp using your flat screwdriver. Make sure it's snug in there good so that you have a good connection. Now that is snug, now you got here, you have your ground wire the same way as your neutral wire. So you're just gonna add your white wire, that's your neutral wire, over here, or either there, anywhere on this place here. So we just say we put it in the bottom. Snug there, make sure you got a good connection. But make sure you got your main breaker off or test your connection. And your ground wire, we're just gonna put it the same right here. And snug. So that's tight. Tight, check your work. Tight. Tight. Now you got to put this where you want it, either the bottom hole. So you just gonna slide it in there and push. Now you got it secure. Now make sure your wire is all the way tucked in so that when you shut your panel box, it's not so crazy looking. Put the panel box cover on before I'm gonna try it's gonna work. Then put my screws, make sure it's in there good. Flat screwdriver. Okay, look at say danger. So okay guys, we'll see if our lights works. See right here. Yay, it works. So my connection is all good. So now I'm gonna go on the other side, see if it works. See that right there? Right there, the lights is on. So now I go here, see if this one works. Right here, right now. That's so much still all my tools inside here. See that light right there, lights switch on. There we go, and it's on. Yay, it works. So it's all worked. Turn that one back off. We'll see it right here on the pole. We'll see if that will turn on. I can't see because, oh, okay, it's on now. It's on. There you go, off. So everything's worked good.